To use Sighthound Redactor version 5 to redact faces from video for privacy, click on the video you wish to redact. Press Auto Detect at the top of the screen. Select the objects you wish to automatically detect, in this case faces. Choose your detection profile and press Submit. Redactor will use algorithms to go through the video frame by frame, identifying faces to be redacted and drawing a bounding box around them. After the progress bar is complete, preview your video. Make sure your redactions are accurate, adding any manual edits. When you're satisfied, press Render and Export. At this point, you will select your rendering settings. We're going to select the mosaic redaction type and the ellipse redaction shape and press Submit. At the end of the rendering bar, you'll be able to preview your video to make sure your redactions are accurate. Once you're satisfied, press the Download Video button. Now we can take a look at the finished product. We've redacted a video faces using Sighthound Redactor version 5.